Remember the days we used to call each other? Well, I forgot your number. It's a tragedy when XYZ won't equal 3. How far would you go to claim your name? Well, I would do the same. It's a proven fact, I won't look back. I might lose track of time. Well, would you even mind? Well, could you spare a dime? For a long-time friend, it's till the end I'll make amends. Oh, we've always been more close together. Through all sorts of weather, we stuck together. We've always been more close together. Through all sorts of weather, we're birds of a feather. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Is there a way to make it past this day without taking on the strain of your selfish ways? This constant maze will end someday. It's true, the ones you always knew will play you for a fool. So put on your cap, your nose and flap. The clown is back. Laugh now at the things which made you proud, 'cause in the end you're not allowed. Cross that line now, take what's yours and keep what's mine. Oh, we've always been more close together. Through all sorts of weather, we stuck together. We've always been more close together. Through all sorts of weather, we're birds of a feather. Ooh, ooh. We've always been more close together. Through all sorts of weather, we stuck together. We've always been more close together. Through all sorts of weather, we're birds of a feather. Ooh, ooh. Thank you very much.